I found out overnight somebody painted his toenails pink. JD, the initials. See if you can pick him out. Here they come, let's hear it! Come, let's hear it down there. Crisscross!